Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Sujit Shanshanwal. I'm a consultant dermatologist and medical director at Skinama Clinics, Mumbai. Today I'm here to talk about that annoying itchy rash that a lot of people experience during the summers. First, we'll talk about why do some people experience it more compared to others. Each person has a different propensity to the amount of sweating that they are prone to. So for some patients who have a tendency to sweat more, become more prone for it because the chance of the sweat accumulating in the skin and causing the prickly rash to develop becomes higher. Apart from that, if people are exposed to working environments which are poorly ventilated, or if people have prolonged jobs, working hours in kitchen area where it's hot, humid with poor ventilation, so that increased heat exposure, humid environment can aggravate the chance of developing the prickly heat rash. Apart from that, if you're not choosing the right clothing, so if you're wearing tight clothing which is inhibiting from the sweat to be evaporated, causing more heat trapping on your skin, can also lead to a higher probability and chance of you developing the prickly heat rash. Now when you look at babies who tend to be more on their back, so that constant pressure, the heat trapping makes them more prone for it. With the elderly also who have a sedentary lifestyle, they will also be more prone for it. So how can we prevent and treat this prickly heat rash? Now prevention is always better than cure, but if you're starting to develop it, using especially powders containing Neem and Tulsi would be helpful, but these will help to prevent inflammation. The powder will help to reduce the sweat accumulation and precipitation on the skin. It will help to reduce the bacterial activity also, because once this malaria, the prickly heat rash, starts to develop, the trapped sweat secretion will start to cause bacterial growth, infection of the bacteria which are present on your skin, which can lead to infection and other complications also because of the itching sensation. Now if you're scratching on these infection points, it can also lead to spread of the infection. So that is why addressing it early and taking care to prevent it is very important. So use your powder regularly, make sure you're wearing loose, comfortable cotton clothing, try to avoid hot, humid environment, and take frequent showers, especially during the hot and humid weather. I hope that helps.